Well, hey there, young scientists. We're so excited because today we get to do a really messy experiment. We're going to take this Coca-Cola and add some very important things called Mentos. Mentos. We're going to see if these Mentos can make that Coca-Cola do an amazing thing. Now let me tell you how it works. The Mentos have hundreds and hundreds of little bumps on every mint. The Diet Coke has millions and millions of little bubbles. Those bubbles are going to come over when they want to and try to grab the little bumps. But there'll be oh so many bubbles trying to grab oh so many bumps. They all bump in together. Then we're going to watch amazing things. Now, let me show you. Come a little closer. I've got a very special device. I think in my pocket. It's right here. And I have discovered this you can get at the Hobby Lobby. You'll see there's a very small hole right there. When I take that hole, make all the Coca-Cola go right through the hole, I hypothesize that it's going to make the Coke shoot higher. And to do this, we'll use two bottles, one without that little hole and one with the little hole. Are you ready? Let's watch. Are you ready? Everyone count 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Young scientists, which bottle shot the Coke the highest? Was it the one with the larger hole? The one with the tiny hole? That's right, the tiny hole wins. Young scientists, you can do this at home too. Make sure you do it with your parents supervising you, but have fun. Make sure you use Diet Coke and then it's not sticky with lots of sugar. But now, I think it'd be fun to take one of these and see if we can make something move.